ready for another speed build and I can't wait to see what it is. Let's go figure it out. I think our next build is coming in. Whoa, look what we got. We got the Brick Headz Disney Belle, and I know that because I have a little sister. It's recommended for ages 10 and up. It's Lego set 41,595. It has 139 pieces, and it's a Lego Disney set. And I can't wait to open it. Wait, what? Is that another one? Whoa, we got 2 of them now. That means double builds in one episode. And this one is the Beast from Beauty and the Beast. It's recommended for ages 10 and up. Lego set 41,595. And it has 116 pieces. And it's also a Lego Disney set. I can't wait to open them. Let's open these. So I'm currently opening Belle. And there's a bunch of tiny bags and a 8x6 base plate and the tiny instruction book. So I'm going to put this aside, turn over to Belle, and I'm going to open the Beast next. So we have like basically the same thing, but instead of a 6x8, it's a 4x6 with a bunch of small bags and an instruction book. Let's build them! I think they turned out pretty good. They're so realistic if you think about it. They're so realistic. And like we got the Beast. Wait, no, we got Beauty and the Beast, but I'm doing Beauty since it's gonna show I built her first. And like the eyes, the iconic brickhead face, and like I turned her around. She's like got a rose, and like the hair bun, and her hair loop. And now when we go to the Beast, he's got his face, and when we got his arms, his like whole backside, his like mane-ish thing, like the thing horses have, right, and his tail and his like clothes. These turned out pretty good. Let's go give it to her. Oh, I'm glad. Wait, who are we giving it to? Oh, I'm glad I asked myself. We're giving it to my sister. My sister, Brooklyn. She'll be so excited. Let's go give it to her. Alright guys, I'm outside my house. Let's go give it to her. Thank you. Hi. Hi. And it's even got like a tail.